I want to show you how to animate 3D floating text in Premiere Pro. Select your Type tool and type in some text. Then go over to Properties and modify it however you want. Now go to Effects and search for Basic 3D and add the effect to your text layer. Under Effect Controls, modify your text with the swivel and tilt until it looks the way that you want. Now click the stopwatch button next to Scale and Position, then activate the guides. If you don't see the guides, you can activate it by going over to the plus symbol and dragging it onto your toolbar. Go to Effect Controls and click on Vector Motion, then click and drag your text to a specific point on your guide. Move your timeline slider ahead a few seconds and increase scale by 20%. Now simply adjust your text so that it's in the same location on your guides as it was before. Let's solve together. Put your like and subscribe.